Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. I found this laying on the ground in the driveway, so it probably fell out of one of my boxes. Little bezel for the pulls on these S and V70s. I think that one on the passenger door is missing. So I'm gonna go slide this on there, make this car look just a little bit better. Don't know if there's 2 colors or 3 colors of those things. There it is, folks. I think you could get these from a couple of places. I'll put a link in the comments to, I think I got these maybe from Swedish Car Parts. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.